Assalamu alaikum guys, I'm your host Amna Tariq and you're watching Desi TV USA. Let's see what is the latest news. The US Department of Justice has arrested 46-year-old Asif Merchant of Pakistani origin for alleged conspiracy to attack former President Donald Trump and other prominent American politicians. Asif Merchant is accused of having close ties with the Iranian government and trying to organize these attacks. According to the court documents, Asif Merchant arrived in New York last April to plan the assassination and hire the attackers. He promised to pay the attackers $5,000 in advance so that they could carry out attacks in late August or early September. Additionally, Asif Merchant was also planning a fake protest to portray the protest as hoax after the attack. Asif Merchant has nothing to do with Trump assassination. White House spokeswoman Karine Jean-Pierre says that Asif Merchant has nothing to do with the assassination attempt on Trump. According to the US Department of Justice, Asif Merchant said that he is a Pakistani citizen and lives in Pakistan. He has a wife and children in Pakistan and also has a wife and children in Iran. Stealing USB drives was the part of the planning and the protest. The US Department of Justice says the plan involved killing a political or government official. He has traveled to Iran, Syria and Iraq several times. It should be noted that 46-year-old Asif Merchant has been accused of murder conspiracy by hired killers. It has been claimed that Donald Trump's security has been tightened in recent weeks by secret services because of knowledge of the Merchant plot. Although Asif Merchant has been charged at a time when there has been an assassination attempt on Donald Trump on July 13, it has been clarified that there is no evidence that Asif Merchant was related to the attack on Trump in Pennsylvania. The Merchant is portrayed by a trusted colleague leading to his arrest. The FBI arrested him shortly after meeting the alleged attackers on July 12. Court documents also show that Merchant expressed a desire to attack American politicians because, according to him, they were harming Pakistan and Muslim world. This is not the first time that Iran has been accused of planning an attack on United States. Even before this, the Iranian government has been accused of trying to avenge the death of General Qasem Soleimani in a US drone attack in 2020. Asif Merchant is currently in FBI custody and further investigations are underway against him. You were watching Desi TV USA. This is it from the latest news. Just keep watching and keep liking and subscribing our news platforms. Take a good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.